Did you know that there's gonna be a subway station here in Uptown Bonifacio, BGC? Yes, you heard that right, because Metro Manila Subway Project, or what we call MMSP, has its own subway station here beside Uptown Mall inside Uptown Bonifacio Township. This kind of project makes an area more accessible, attracted to more businesses, create more jobs, and increase demand for nearby properties. That's why location connected to major infrastructure often become some of the most sought-after addresses in the city. Now imagine owning a home just steps away from all of that. Let me introduce to you the Uptown Modern, the newest and last residential condo that's gonna be built here in Uptown Bonifacio Township. Units available from studio to 3-bedroom, and your monthly starts at 14,000 a month with annual lump sum, no down payment, 6 years to pay with 0% interest. All units are semi-furnished with built-in appliances, complete set of kitchen, toilet and bath, sanitary fittings, and split-type aircon. Enjoy the hotel-type amenities around you. The best time to buy is before the transformation is complete. Comment down below modern so I will send you the full details. Catch you in the next one.